Tell the people. Tell the people what you want to do with this fucking thing, man.
I want to turn garbage into gold. Garbage into gold. Garbage into gold.
So he was scamming all the call centers, and he fucked with his call centers. This is one of my favorite videos.
Yes. Tubbies. Yoshi.
Freaking Yoshi.
Woo. We're gonna have two bikes to drool over.
This guy made it just like springs that hold the cage up, which means the cage stays in the lowest position where it belongs on the seat. Problem with that is that doesn't happen in direct access. So it does things with a different tactic.
Like you kick it, it goes. Pretty good.
Way better.
You were jumping it.
Wow. It almost feels like a gel. This one's supposed to work well because it's got this baffle, which is supposed to keep the scrolls from just coming straight down and getting into the seats. More importantly, there's no way for them to rip this off. We'll see. This one debuted to similar results. As it hangs by a few toes, this is when I really started gaining appreciation for what they were capable of. It definitely seemed like this bird theater was their favorite. Okay. Really? Yeah, reflex on me for sure. And at this point, a plan was forming in my head, but just to be thorough, I was away from the fence, and I can't say I was surprised where they just liked it.
You did it, buddy. Does she run now?
Yeah, I think it does the thing, dude.
Oop, keep her running though. Huh?
Brakes are doing the thing. A lot better than it was.
Yeah, you can tell. You can tell
It's rich.
It's running fat, but the whole carbs fill up the gas, so it's probably sucking more gas than it used to. So if the float was dialed, I had some extra carb parts to try to figure out like. So are you pretty happy with how it turned out?
Extremely happy.
Fuck
It's my
yeah.
Christmas present to myself.
Hell yeah.
I need a sport quad and I'll have one of everything.
There you go. Yeah. Literally, I mean, the carb or like getting it dialed in just a little bit. Honestly, right now it's running rich, which.
The fact that I have it relatively idling is good.
Yeah, that is good.
And I'd rather have it running rich and change
And
a plug
but
every now and then.
I wonder too, like your air screw seems like it's out pretty fucking far,
Right.
but your idle screw is like all the way in. So like it might be like your idle is so far in that it's like That's why your air screw needs to be out so far to make it run right. Whereas if you turn the idle screw out,
He wasn't getting much of a change when we were playing with the top screw.
yeah.
Wasn't doing shit.
Okay.
I wanted it before I touched screws, look it up online, and
Yeah.
Jack kind of was, I was letting him do it. So.
Right.
I thought the worst thing we could do is like fuck it up and then go on the manual and see what it says to set it, like screw it in all the way, turn it 2.5 out,
Right.
go from there.
Literally just me. I'll go do the whole.
But it's, yeah, the new tank looks a lot better than the other
Yeah,
one.
it is definitely in a lot better condition.
The
No
top
leaks.
area is like the one area you're actually gonna see without the stickers, and it looks good here, you know?
Yeah. There's really not that much yellowing.
No,
Like,
it's not that. I scrubbed the fuck out of it with a magic eraser, fresh degreaser in it.
yeah.
I got the parts washer running mint.
Fuck yeah, dude.
People like.
God damn. You got the header pipe too, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That thing's gonna sound fucking mean, man. The Deli 450.
Make it a mess with all the.
Got that freshy MX-33, new sprockets, new levers.
Got it all.
Pegs, dude. Those pegs are pretty sweet.
Yeah, they turned out pretty good.
I like
There
the.
was like a cheaper version, but those looked like they had like more, like the little, like nipples on them, you know?
Yeah. Ooh.
Headers.
Header pipes. Oh shit. I can't wait to hear it. Is it a pain in the butt to get those pipes on?
Kinda.
Yeah. I can only imagine with the backwards engine, it's probably fucking.
Get your TV together. Call 1-800-REC-TV to save up to $120.
Damn, that's a lot of love and care going into this.
He's trying to keep it slow, and he's like, oh fuck, dude, I'm going like 50
Yoshi.
You gotta put some love in there, dude.
Apple tots? What's an apple
Why, you
tot?
won't marry me?
Maybe. If it's from skydiving, yeah. God damn! That thing sounds mean, dude.
You're gonna know where Delson's at now.
That thing sounds mean, man.
So nice.
I think I don't know what's in the movie.
Very good, very good.
Some people
Good purchase.
Good purchase, I would say.
They
Told me to turn it on.
for this feeling they do certain things. Some people walk places.
Let's go. Summertime, let's
But
do
then
it.
obviously I'm gonna keep buying clothes.
That's his
My
story is
fix
crazy.
was,
You're gonna
Scott,
be like, what the fuck?
the adrenaline dump that
I
you
still
get
want to
from
jump
just
after
taking
seeing
one
this. It's
step.
life, man.
It's
Anything
so,
can
I think I
happen.
rattled some dirt
it's
off.
so much fun.
You should go to somewhere with us?
Even
I watched this and I
things
said
that
I'd
you
still
think
probably
consider,
do it.
like,
You should go to
I
somewhere,
would
right,
still
Township?